Hi everyone, do you know a simple Gmail template can save you lots of time if you have to compose a same mail multiple times. To enable Gmail templates, go to settings and then click on all settings. Now go to advanced tab and here you will find an option called Gmail templates. By default this option is disabled. You have to enable it and then click on save changes. That's it. Now go to compose and here write down the template. If you want you can also write the subject. For example, I am going to write the subject as brand promotion. Alright. Multiple times brand used to send me an email, so I have to send him a reply. So I am just pasting here the reply. This is the exact reply that I used to send to all the brands. Now at the bottom you will see one option called 3 dot, right? More option. Just tap into it and you will find one new option by the name templates. Click on save draft as template, save as a new template. Enter the template name and click on save. Done. Now I am going to delete it. Let me close it and let's refresh this page. Now let's go to compose. Now I don't need to type the same message every time. Instead of that, just go to these 3 dots, go to templates, click on this template that you have created. So this is how easily you can create a template and it is going to help you to save lots of time. So guys, I hope you have found this video helpful. Then kindly hit the like button, and for more interesting tech videos like this, kindly subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.